The boats that I donated to my people will keep working freely, till this flood recedes. I want to tell you people this, that no single person, nobody is authorized by the state or local government to collect toll of any kind at this place. I heard you even when they make the buy. So, open on my calculator 500. You guys should go back to 300 because this council is going to be here to be monitoring it. You don't know. That's one. Then, secondly, on your banana over here, I have life jacket. This is by state government. State government. All His Excellency Dr. Charles Mazodo with the life jacket. I'm no bonu. When they can see here, only they put 10, when they put 15, when they put 20, I think it's I cancel all these life jackets. I put a life jacket down. It is a mandatory requirement that anybody now will you life jacket, including Robo, Moyam Ebu, Moye Nayanya, you life jacket. Will be a cross maybe or cross or go away now. You work in Alabia. We are going to Yaba. Piccolo, Ungonyo Buna Dianyampa, Ungonyo Buna Boya Anambra State. A Professor Charles Mazodo for governor. Guy Bundin represent his bottom. On quite going by take you out of service. So Piccolo, even Nayobu, Oyobana Yobo here. Fabia, you register with the councillor or Manabia. One condition, if I come here for business, you'll be taking only 300 naira or a full TC chairman and the councillor Sukru last time we were here. No more 500 naira a trip. Number one. Number two, Oyobana must wear life jackets. And Oyobana put on another 300, the person should take his boat and leave this place. Onya Abusiong, make a malo, Kaida, and pound on the boat. Oyobana is easy, even again easy. Where they are back, then I go, told. Never Melai, I am now Bambok, Amaka is when you buy Yaka, my state government, my federal government, or we won't be done here. Now, if you're going to here, then look, I'm Kaida Punya. Yes. My state constituency is taking care of that. Okay. Secondly, I'm here on behalf of the state government to distribute this life jacket to all the boat users and all the boat services here. Is an essential requirement, for anybody entering the boat to cross to the other side. And I've advised the councillor that is a basic requirement that anybody entering the boat must surely wear this life jacket. We thank His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Anambra State, who made these life jackets available to us through the state's Emergency Management Authority, SEMA. So we thank Professor Charles Mazodo, the Solution Governor. Anambra East, Obaro, Anambra West, other places that have been affected by this flood disaster. The boats that I donated to my people will keep working freely, till this flood recedes. Okay? So no more and that's good.
Cambo no be Yande buy free. I can look like one. Ojulanya, Tokuan, Tonya, my blue to Naya Kobo. I can look because of life jacket to look at them. That is very important. So the alone can one. But if I sky Tion over Obama and ever don't go settlement time so far. And don't collect I know why load I know 500 each boat load. So can you hear me? Muri Akosia, a man in the airport one day Emeka Akose Lego. Before I tell you on a cable 300, I need because I'm a window. If I need 500, manage each boat I load line and then go commission about 500. I load the other side 500. And no other back for 5,000. I'm a revival. Bring more over here. We come to this place for free. And I'm going to get more. We all have to come together to alleviate this suffering of our people. And if we have military, military back or Nubi, it is what I say. You are not living in now. What's wrong, man? I just even my life when they make the person wine. What's wrong, God, man? Huh? Oh, we're on your brand. Please, I didn't serious. I didn't very serious. I told him, come on, I'm going to make it. You got to go. On your 300 drama, blue bodies ever making it. Canceling and even you.
ndị na-eme commercial ka na-ekwuba onye 300 na-adọrọ ma etunu na TC chairman si wee kpa the last time mbeleba last Kevin Apia Tuesday mbeleba ọsụ na akpago not 300. You guys should move that to back to that 300. Nsị ebe abụọ onwe onye ụgbọ ọbụla na 500 dịka ọ dị n'aka. In fact, just one, I'm very, very serious. We all have to come together. This is a collective effort. Can we kill yellow one? But the state government is doing everything. Governor Alaro Labani. I don't sleep. They talk about everybody to make sure that they make it back. See how we can help our people. Make it back. We can be there now. We're not going to be able to see this. I imagine this unfortunate circumstance. When I make it in the bank, what's wrong, man? So please, I'm begging you people, 300 starting from now. Didn't happen. I have 5,000. I don't want to. Only open up. I need anybody think of it. You know, that's a little. I have not anybody think of it. Please, government did not authorize any tool.